What happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
So my daughter was playing on her iPad when I noticed that she accidentally sat on it, which caused a bend in it and a line, and I'm just here to see if it's fixable.
Oh, there is a line also?
Yes.
I see it now. Well, don't worry. I got you. The band looks really bad. We're gonna see if we can fix this one and put the new screen on it. Hopefully the battery is not damaged as well. Let's see. Your iPad is ready, miss.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yes, now it's good to go.
Oh wow, look at the back.
No more
Fixed
bend.
it. I know. Thank you so much. Thank
You're welcome.
you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back.